If you have 8 chocolates and want to share them equally among 4 friends, how much chocolate does each friend get?
Yes, answer is 2.
Hello my friends, I'm Sammy. I have 8 chocolates and need to share for my 4 friends equally. These are my 4 friends. Let's divide 8 chocolate equally among them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! One of my friends got 2 chocolates each. Bye my friends.
If you have 15 cookies and want to share them equally among 5 friends, how many cookies does each friend get? Yes, answer is 3.
Hello my friends. My name is Benny. I have 15 cookies and need to share them equally among my 5 friends. Let's share the cookies now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, one of my friends got 3 cookies each.
There are 18 apples. If you want to pack them into bags with 3 apples each, how many bags can you make? Yes, answer is 6.
Hey guys! My name is Rudy. I have 18 apples and need to pack them into bags with 3 apples each. Shall we start now? Wow! I packed all 18 apples with each 3 apples to bags. Now let's find out how many bags we're able to pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I was able to pack 6 bags.